I'll send Conquest after you, bro.
Hey, sir, H, bro. Someone.
Thermal across. That thermal. Push. Alright, I need help. Hi, come with me.
Thanks.
Okay, that was good.
Sure, buddy. Whatever you want to say.
Hi.
Wait, he
gave
took
you a thermal.
left.
Harry is 21. Thank you for the thermal. Yeah, what? He took 2 headshots.
Oh, it's like that. Wait, what? Oh, W. Button though, like that.
Me either. This is my first match home. And I'm charging my phone. I'm gonna see.
Oh, nice. I'm gonna flank around a little bit.
This bot.
That's person. Almost dead.
Killed him.
God. Oh, where were they?
Yep, that's what I thought. Hopefully I get sneaked up on me. JK. What a bitch. Someone watch, next to me, please? I'm gonna get sneaked up on me. Oh, I found Donnie's toilet paper. Where did you even find that? What's up? Hey, quick. Can I read Donica? Or did you just have that, too? I shot. Impact. Is that Molly? Impact. I'd rather you didn't, honestly. Why? You know, I just don't like, getting blind guys. So? Wanna try that? Yeah, nah, it's not for me. Yeah, it's totally understand. Are you sure? Now this is at 2.2, is it still good for another raid, or? I think so. Wait. It's a little box, it's just on the box. Wait, that we did.
You get it, Timmy. I beat that pussy up, is you gon' tell me? Yo, do you like my lightweight tactical grip, guys? Oh, never mind. You gotta turn me on.
Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. Rush up. Get his ass in the cage. Whoa!
Did you kill that thermal?
Ty, need my gun. Oh my.
Where at?
They are.
Yep.
Ty's down.
Target eliminated.
I'm rezzing.
Go
Yes.
for a case. Go for a case. This guy's thermal on.
H, cover.
I am covering. What do you think I'm?
I keep breathing smoke, bro. Smoke in general is so useless, bro. That ass runs up. I mean, you feel like stupid I bleed out, bro. You're annoying.
Pack it up. You're dead.
I killed 2 people. Killed some
Yeah.
guy with a quick hit.
You killed 2 shitters. At least that's what you
No. I killed a guy with an MK. He was thermal too, but he cased it, obviously. Actual voice actor.
Ready for my arrival. What they be barking at, bro? As soon as someone actually pulls up to your house, just
Oh shoot, Rev, come here. No way.
damn, we really are going to keep on. This motherfucker just gave me an STD pack.
One more. Mr. Bro, was it just one guy or some shit? Like, what the fuck? Get your thermal, me.
Man, this no legs shit kind of fucking sucks.
Bro. So you can't, Rev, you can't move any.
Okay, bro. I'm dead. AX from behind just shot me. Or, I don't know. You're gonna eat that meat. How do you, bro? He drop shot? He just disappeared on my screen, bro.